guys, a couple of things with that tinfoil is it does have two sides. One side is satin, the other side is shiny, so you're going to want to pay attention to that. And also, if you can find a thinner tinfoil, you'll have an easier time flushing it out when it comes to clear coating. We're going to jump right into mixing the two colors of base coat that we're going to be using. I'm going to mix up a black base, and then I'm going to mix a little bit of the two together to make an off-white. Then I'll reduce it at about a 1-to-1 ratio to make it sprayable through the airbrush. Alright guys, if you're getting any value out of this so far, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button below. I'm going to jump right into mixing up some U-Pole clear coat at a 4-to-1 ratio. This stuff works great for projects like this that require multiple clear coat and sanding sessions. Along with everything else in this video, you'll find it on the Amazon link down in the description. Alright, I'm going to be using some new synthetic crushed glass that's coming out from Limeline. This is made to mix with 1 pint of clear coat. Instead, I'm going to mix just a little bit with some clear base coat. Then I'll thin it out with some urethane reducer to make it spray through my 1.8 spray gun. Once I pull the tape, I'll put it through another round of clear coat. you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button for me. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up down in the comments. Also, I want to hear from you what kind of content you want me to make next. If you want to help support this channel, sign up for my YouTube membership program. All of the paint and materials that I used in this video is available on the Amazon link down in the description. Thanks for watching.